Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to manage your posts on Facebook. The first thing is open up your Facebook app, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, tap on your name, and then tap on the three dots over here, and then you tap on manage posts, which is this option here. So once you tap on it, here it opens this page where you can remove tags, hide or delete multiple posts all at once. So you can see all your posts here. You can decide to hide them, delete or whatever. So let's start with this one. Let's say I want to use this. I select this, selected one of them, so I select this one too, and now I tap on next, and then I can start to delete the posts, remove selected posts permanently. Or as you can see, I'm not tagged in this post, so this option that be available for me to remove the tag. And also I can only hide certain type of posts. I can't hide this for my timeline, unfortunately. So that's it. I tap on next, yes. Then I tap on delete posts and confirm. It's saving my changes. Give it a few minutes to save my changes, and that's it. That is how to manage posts on Facebook.